In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your WordPress content using a focus key phrase with Yoast SEO. The secret to crafting content that ranks well in search engines lies in strategically using keywords. And Yoast SEO makes this process effortless. Start by editing the post or page you want to optimize in WordPress. Navigate to it from your dashboard and click on Edit. This will take you to the editor where you can refine your content and make it more engaging. While optimizing for search engines, scroll down to find the Yoast SEO box, usually at the bottom of your editor. The field we are focusing on today is the focus key phrase. Here, enter the main keyword you want to target. For example, if your content is about comparing travel backpacks, you could use best travel backpacks as your key phrase. Once you've set your focus key phrase, it's important to make sure it appears naturally in your content. Start with the first paragraph under your title. Including the key phrase here is crucial as search engines pay special attention to your opening lines. Make sure it reads naturally and doesn't feel forced. For example, you might start with, when it comes to finding the best travel backpacks, it's all about blending style, functionality, and durability. SEO isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience while being optimized for search engines. Editing your page, setting your focus key phrase in Yoast SEO, and naturally weaving it into your first paragraph will help you build a strong SEO foundation. Consistency and attention to detail in these steps can transform your content's performance in search results. With Yoast SEO guiding your efforts, you're not only optimizing for today but also building long-term visibility. Dive into your WordPress dashboard and let Yoast help elevate your content. Happy optimizing!